Hey there, get ready for another intriguing problem in our trigonometry series. Let's dive in and uncover the solution together. Here's the question for today. Let's break it down step by step. We start by taking log pi to the right hand side and then apply sum of logarithms and exponent properties. We get secθ₁ minus tanθ₁ times secθ₂ minus tanθ₂ times and so on up to secθn minus tanθn equals 1 over pi. Now by using identity sec²a minus tan²a equals 1, from where we can get the value of ck minus tan a as 1 over ck plus tan a, right? Applying this to each term, we get secθ₁ plus tanθ₁ times secθ₂ plus tanθ₂ times and so on up to secθn plus tanθn equals pi. And now what do we wanted to find out? We wanted to find out cos of this value that we just found. So we find out cos of pi, which is minus 1. Therefore, the correct answer is option 2. Great work, everyone. If you enjoyed this challenge and found it helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe. Hit that notification bell to stay updated with our math adventures. Keep exploring. I'll catch you in the next video. Happy learning.